Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful Sunday morning?
Good morning.
It's like 5 a.m.
It is.
and I've only had one cup of coffee. That's
I've
not
had one too.
Have you? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Savannah got hers from the gas station though because somebody left their car on E on the morning we're supposed to fly out.
I don't know who he's talking about.
I go and filled my truck up last night. No real mention of, hey babe, we're gonna be flying out at 5 a.m. My car's on empty. So yeah, that was fun. It's freezing, but enough complaining. We're heading to Florida, right?
Yes, we are.
And from what I heard, there's an 80-degree day a couple days this week. So.
And there's a tornado watch.
Yeah.
Also?
Tornado watch in Tampa. Super Bowl night too. So fun. I guess we'll probably see you guys on the flip side here. We do have some video from a storm here. It was actually pretty unique. We beat the competition, I guess you can say. We pulled in, started doing a job, and then the competition pulled up right behind us. And sometimes you'll realize with new customers, they just call a bunch of people. So it's pretty much whoever gets there first, and we got there first. And we've lost out on accounts like this as well. So we're gonna get some grub and a coffee and wait to get on the plane.
Let's go.
So some of you asked if we would show the inside of the control system for the Plow, and this is our controller here. Right now you can see it's in red, so it's basically in like a float mode. It's all the way down. You just double tap to put it in that mode. Double tap to bring the Plow up. You'll see the markers come back. See, it's green also. Let's go back down with it. I'll set it down easy on my concrete. Double tap, see, it's back into float mode basically. So double tap up. Boom. Okay, so this is where you'd want it to be to drive. Okay, and then you just shut it off on top so you don't accidentally bump it. So you can hit the top one. That'll bring your top one up, or your right one up, left one up. That'll be your scoop mode. You can hit down one or down the other, or bring them both down at the same exact time. That'll put you back into your V mode. That's pretty much it, guys. I mean, other than, you know, just basically, you know, windrow in one way or another. Sometimes you'll want to have one a little bit more back to kind of give you a little bit more of a push. Yeah, it just really depends on what you want, but nothing too hectic, nothing too crazy here. Just wanted to give you that rundown real quick. We're all the way up. We're going to go ahead and shut it off. And now we're ready to drive.
Pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing it to the tube at shoulder level.
A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. When you fly with Delta, you help change lives. One dream, one moment, one home at a time.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
We got this long, narrow driveway here. I just seen that, yeah.
Lead them to it.
Right there.
Competition out here. Beat you to it, buddy. Beat you to it. Early bird gets the worm.
Talking smack. Man, that stuff is thick and heavy. Keep going. Watch the telephone pole. Hi.
Pretty narrow.
Got a lot of snow.
I know, I was just forget about getting the driveway done, but man, it's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy. Back breaking.
You know, I have a bad back. I pinch nerves in my back and stuff.
Oh yeah.
I can't even shovel.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise, I would have been out there shoveling.
No, we got ya.
Now, you are.
All right, guys. So TQ's taking the bill up to the customer. She wanted a receipt, so that's fine and dandy. She doesn't do anything card-wise, so she's gonna take care of it with a check. So that's always a good thing too. I did notice we ran out of business cards, and she asked for a few to give to her neighbors. So a little mistake on our end. It happens. We've went through a ton just in the last day or two, but I should have made sure. I got a few in here, but they're like disgusting, and you never want to give a customer a disgusting looking card. Other than that, though, she was super happy, thanked us a lot. I'll tell you what, we pulled in, and literally before I even got halfway back with the first drag, I don't know if TQ caught him on camera or not, but another guy was coming. So, you know, this is a new customer. We're just kind of out just making as much now as possible because we got through all the bars. Like, why ain't it lifting? It kicked out of Browns mode. But yeah, you got to make it when you can during plow events, guys. Now we're just making extra. These are all just extra one times, you know, or if it gets really bad, make all the extra money you possibly can.
And what's great is she now knows that we do lawn care and landscaping, and she mentioned that she may need help with her flower beds, so there you go.
Yep, word of mouth. Best advertisement you can get.
Exactly.
Guess who's back? Back again.
TQ's back.
He stole
Tell your friends.
He stole my shine, TQ. He stole my shine. I just wanted my moment.
Anyways, guys, I was just explaining to TQ, like, you know, we're going into later into the week. It's been like 4 or 5 days now since we've had that big storm, and the calls are still just trickling in. And I think it's because of COVID. Nobody really is rushing out every single day. Typically, we get that big boom like a day after the storm, 2 days after the storm at the most. Guys, it's like 4 days out, 5 days out now, and we're still getting calls for people that are saying, hey, I'm stuck. I can't get out my driveway. Can you please help me? Yada, yada, yada. And that's great because it's not that rush on top of the rush that we initially get, but it's good to make extra money and just, you know, continually working every single day, even if it's only 3 or 4 plows. But let's hop to it, TQ.
Yeah, and it doesn't help that it's 9 degrees right now.
It is freezing. really cool. Power walk, power walk. Bye, TQ. Man, if you could only trim like this. Back to reality.
All right, guys, we made it to Florida.
Woohoo!
It was actually a pretty good flight all around. Super easy, I think. Yeah.
Real quick. No delays, no real, we got off in Atlanta and hopped right back on the next flight after we grabbed a coffee, so it was real cool.
It was.
I'll tell you what, though, it almost seems unfair that we're freezing up in the, the north, and these folks are down here fishing. Like, literally, there's fishing going on right now. Probably swimming a little bit south of here. I don't know why do we put ourselves through this, TQ, up there?
I don't know. I'm kind of sweating right now. Like, I haven't done that in a while.
Yeah,
I get the cold sweat from, slinging the salt bags and stuff, but nothing like this.
It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Thank you all so much for tuning into the channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around. We are going to do a live tomorrow night, Monday night. I'm going to aim for 7 p.m., guys, if possible. Things may change, and I'll let you know, like with the little pictures or updates you can do on YouTube. But as of right now, mark your calendars for tomorrow at 7 p.m. for a live with Spencer's Lawn Care and everybody else from the Hype House. So
that's right.
We hope you enjoyed the video. As always,
keep mowing,
keep growing,
keep making money, boys.
We'll talk to you later.
TQ out.
Peace. The grass is green here
Bye.
right now, guys. I'm so jealous.